In this video, I'm going to tell you a way how you can transfer your files between your devices. I mean, it does not matter you are using Android, iOS, Mac, Linux, and even Hackintosh. Okay, it does not matter. And actually, you don't need to install any programs. We are going to use snapdrive.net, and let's jump to the screen and see how we can do it. Before jumping to the screen, I need to tell you no. You must connect your devices into the same network, and the other note is that all of your VPNs needs to be disconnected. Okay, go to the Chrome and type snapdrop.net. I actually typed that, so you need to type it, the website, and go to the snapdrop.net. In here, I'm at the Snapdrop, and on my Android device, I need to go to the snapdrop.net website, or I can install the app. I customize the Snapdrop app for you guys and publish it on the Amazon. But if you are not Android user, you just simply go to the website of the snapdrop.net onto your phone, onto your iOS device, or onto your Mac, onto your Linux. It does not matter. Just open the Snapdrop website with a browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and this kind of things. Opera, I don't know. I open the Snapdrop app. I will see my desktop and another phone that I turn the Snapdrop on that too. I select the laptop, and for example, I'm going to send the laptop this file. I received that. It says ask to save each file before downloading. I said yes, because I need to know and I need to arrange the files that I received. For example, I'm going to save that on the download folder, and it is saved. As you can see, it is saved. And in here, how to send files into the Android device. On the Snapdrop, at the bottom of that, for example, you are known as Aqua Vernacle, something like this, I don't know. It says your name, okay. And for example, my phone is Green Kingfisher. I'm going to send the file to Green Kingfisher instead of Tomato Vessel. I select this one, and I need to go to the, for example, download folder, and select this img, this video. For example, I select this PDF file, and I press on the open. I received the file on my Android device, and I press on the save. Right now it saves, and it says go and check the download folder, so you can see the file is created on there, and I mean your file is located on the download folder of your phone. This is the way how you can receive and send files with the app. If you like press on your devices, you can send and receive messages, links between your computer and your Android device. This is a cool option.